Good day everyone. Sure you all are doing good. This tutorial is focused on location management and assigning account to location. This particular training is for our users, our customers that has multiple locations, that has staff that manage their business for them. So you create a location on the app, and now you can assign the account to your staff at different location. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's go into the business for the day. So yeah, you have on your dashboard, you have to access the menu. To access the menu, you can see at the top left is the balance logo, or you have there your picture if you sign up or create your account with a Google account. With a Google, you sign up with Google. Yeah, so it's going to have your picture there if your email has a picture. So yeah, is that this logo or a picture? So once you click on it, it brings out the menu. So on the menu right there, you can see manage location. Then you click on manage location. So now as a new account, you're not going to see an already created account here. It's going to be blank, but you're going to have this button that tells you to add location. So once you click on that button, it gives you the form to fill prompt. So let's just go ahead to look at the already filled form and then see what exactly we have there. So manager is exactly the name of your staff that you have on that location. Yeah, you put it in. So you necessarily may not put manager, it's not a must. So yeah, put the staff name directly. Then the phone number is the staff email, not your own email. It's a staff email. Now also the here is email. This is the here you put email of the staff. So yeah, the email you have to use there necessarily do not have to be an active email. Yeah, you had me right. Necessarily do not have to be an active email because you're not sending mail to this account. It's just to use it as a user ID to log into this to the app for this staff. So now, so you can use the staff email directly, and at the same time you can as well create an email with your company name. Yeah, you can see here. You can see manage man at. So I can just decide to change it to Matthew, yeah, at metaware.com. So then location you put like to Lagos. Yeah, location is the location of which exact place you have your that particular kiosk. So it can be the name of the street, it can be bus stop, the name of the bus stop. You understand? If you have in the bus stop, you have like say 3 locations. You can say Ikeja bus stop location 1, Ikeja bus stop location 2, Ikeja location 1. So you just can be creative with that location title. So at the same time, to then you fill in prompt the state where you have the business, not your own, not the staff state, then the city, then the password. So yeah, the password there has no condition. Just fill it prompt anyhow you prefer. So yeah, I'll be using 128. So you can decide to combine it both to make it alphanumeric. Exactly. So once you are done with that, you save it. So it tells you you have successfully created that particular account. So what you need to location. So what you need to do next is to now assign account to this location. Note, users only need the email that you've created here and the password to log in. Now your staff will download the app also on Play Store or Apple Store. Then they will not sign up. They will use the email the account that you have created, because this account that you create from your own particular account shows that yeah, it is their location is linked and connected to your own admin account. Are you getting that now? So they will just have to log in with this, with whatever you have created. So let's copy this. We already know our password, so then we go back. Then after creating location, if you have 2 locations, if you have 3 locations, if you have 4 locations, all you just have to do is I click on add location again until you've achieved the number of locations you want to. Exactly. Once you are done with that, then you go to account settings, or same on the menu. Then on setting, you go to account setup. On account setup, you see your available account that you have created. So as a new staff, as a new account, this will be blank. So you have a plus button here to add account. So yeah, which before going through here, I definitely believe you would have gone through how to set up accounts and how to add records. So now let's look at the information we have on the account. So once you click on the add button for that account, that you're going to have provider. So at that location, which POS are they going to use? Which POS is assigned to that particular location? Which POS is being used at that location? So that is what you select on the provider. You look at the provider and you select the available POS, right? Once that is done, account title. Account title can be now you can see this the idea a location one bus stop. So you can decide to put the name of that staff and the location you have the staff. Like you can say Matthew location 1. You can say Matthew bus stop. If you understand, it depends. You can say Matthew Ikeja bus stop. However, be creative about the account title. This account title is very important because on the dashboard you see the list of the account that you have created, right? And you'll be able to identify with the title that you have given to them, each of them. So then the balance will be the balance you have on that particular terminal. The opening balance on that terminal, that's what you put here. And then here, the most important thing now on this location, you now click and then you select. You can see we have Matthew here. You now select. That means you've assigned this particular account to that staff on that at that location. Then you update. This is the terminal. Then you do the same thing, cash attend for that particular location as well. Then you create your cash attend. You click on add button to definitely create an account for the cash attend account for that location. Note, each location minimum must have minimum of 2 accounts, cash attend and the terminal local account. Let's say, for example, you are using one terminal in that particular location. That means you need 2 accounts to create. You need the terminal account and you need that cash attend for that location. If you have 2 locations, you need minimum of 4 accounts. Yeah, because each location we have 2 accounts. Now, let's say in the particular location you have 2 terminal. That means you need to create 3 accounts for that location. So you create the first terminal for maybe POS1, which is maybe money point. Then you create another account. You assign it to that particular staff of that location that you've already created. And then at the same time too, you now add button again. You create another account. Let's say more OP this time. I select OP. Right, you also set it up, filling prompt, and then assign to that staff again at that particular location. Then before you now do your cash attend, every location is needed. You must compulsorily create an account for cash attend. So now this, you can see this particular one now. You see cash attend, you select from the provider. You will scroll down, you see the provider down, you see cash attend down. It's immediately after money point and before regular bank. Then your location title, like we said, I said you have to be creative. You can see that location 1 cash. The other one we have location 1 here for the terminal. Then this is a location 1 cash. Then you put the balance of the cash that the person has currently, like the opening cash balance for that particular location. And then you change the location you assign it to Matthew, to that person. So that is that. And if you have other location to the same way, you assign it to the staff of that location, and also you save. Now then you go back to your dashboard. Once that is done, once you go back to dashboard, then if you scroll down to the account overview, so you can see it here. PO, you can see location 1 bus stop. You can then see location 1 cash. You can see, you see both location 1 bus stop, location 1 cash. So if I decide to I want to just see record for location only, then I can then filter location, Matthew location. You can see, let me just click on Matthew. Then it gives me record for Matthew. You can see nothing. You can see it only gives me the account that I've assigned to that particular location. Can you see that? So that is how it works. So then I can then change it back. I can then change it back here. Filter the location from here as well to all. Then if you have all that, like here, if I click on Felix location, it gives me record for Felix only. You can see only this particular account is assigned to Felix, and this is what Felix has done on his location. Yeah, if I want to fill all, then I can decide to look at all the location. Then it gives me every record that we have in that location, on all my location, and it gives me the total of the account of every of my location. Exactly, that is how it works. So now let me log in. Lastly, let me log in as location, as the account that we've just created now. So let me sign out. So your staff now without need to download and then they log in, right? So here we have Matthew at, I think is metaware.com. So let's see what Matthew says. So you can see here, Amin, and then you can you just see those 2 accounts that was created for Matthew. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you get this right. So you can Look at this button here, a water button. You can reach out if you are confused at any time, if you need support, if you need to clarify yourself on any question. Just click on this WhatsApp icon here. It takes you to our WhatsApp number and then our support number. Then you can give us a chat. Yeah, thank you very much for your time, and God bless.